మనం సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్లో 14th పార్ట్ నేర్చుకుంటాం. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 8.3లో ఫస్ట్ సమ్. Equilateral triangles are drawn on the three sides of a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle. This is, in this right angle triangle, what are the sides AB, BC, AC? Where is right angle at B? So what do you call the AC? That is the hypotenuse. Okay? Show that then the area of the triangle on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the areas of triangles on the other two sides. That is, see, improve చేసాడు చూసుకోండి. This is the triangle equal. This is equilateral triangle on the side AB. This is another equilateral triangle on the side BC. BC ఎంత ఉంటే ఆ కొలతతో ఒక ఈక్వలేట్ ట్రయాంగిల్. అట్లాగే దిస్ ఈజ్ అనదర్ ఈక్వలేట్ ట్రయాంగిల్. ఓకే, ఐ నేమ్ దమ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ సమ్ P, this is Q, and this is R. Okay, that is so. Okay, 1 2 3. What are these? These three are equilateral triangles. All equilateral triangles are similar. So this is the fundamental item, fundamental concept. All equilateral triangles are similar. So these are 1 2 3. These three similar. This is 1 and 2 and 3. These three are similar triangles. So okay, what we prove, చూడండి, the area of the triangle on hypotenuse. What is the equilateral triangle on hypotenuse? ACR. I know, name it triangle on AC equal to sum of triangle on AB plus triangle on BC. ఇది కదా, అంటే మనం ట్రయాంగిల్ 3 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ట్రయాంగిల్ 1 ప్లస్ ట్రయాంగిల్ 2 అని మనం చూపమన్నాడు. దిస్ we prove. How to approach to prove this? What is the problem solving to approach this? There is a technique. These are similar triangles and needed the areas. What is the relation between the areas and of the similar triangles? Are there any relation between the areas of similar triangles? Yes, there is a rule. There is a theorem. What is the theorem? The ratio of areas of similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. So there is a relation between the sides and areas. So ratio of the areas are needed. చూసుకోండి, delta 3 is equal to delta 1 plus delta 2, or that is delta 3 by delta 3, that is equal to 1. Delta 1 by delta 3 plus delta 2 by delta 3. Similarly, I write 1 is equal to triangle AB by triangle on AC plus triangle BC by triangle on AC. Okay, this is I proof. లేదా ఎందుకు ఈ బాధ, సింపుల్గా triangle 1 plus triangle 2 is equal to triangle 3 we prove. So triangle 1 by triangle 3 plus triangle 2 by triangle 3 is equal to 1. ఇది ప్రూవ్ చేయగలిగితే మనకి ఇది అవుతుంది. So now I ready to prove. We find it triangle 1 by triangle 3 and again triangle 2 by triangle 3. Okay, సరే. So what is triangle ABC? Triangle ABC is right triangle. So where is right angle? Angle B 90. So in a right triangle B is 90. What is the relation among these AB, BC, AC? You know Pythagoras theorem. Square of hypotenuse equal to square of sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So this is 1. So we using this, we find triangle 1 by triangle 3, area of triangle on AB by area of triangle on AC, and again triangle 2, that is the area of triangle on BC and area of triangle on AC. Okay, sorry, triangle 1 by triangle 3. What is the rule? You know, this is equal to, what is the side of triangle 1? That is AB. So AB square by, what is the area of triangle? What is triangle 3? ACR. What is the corresponding side of AB? AC square. Why? చూసుకోండి, the ratio of the areas of similar triangles, why these are all similar exterior equilateral triangles, is equal to squares of corresponding sides. This is similarly I find delta to triangle 2 by triangle 3. This is also equal to ratio of corresponding sides, ratio of squares of sides is equal to areas, ratio of areas. So what is triangle 2 by triangle 3? What is the side of triangle 2? That is BC. So BC square. What is the corresponding side of triangle 3? That is the AC. AC square. So triangle 1 plus by triangle 3 plus second triangle by triangle 3. What is triangle 1 by triangle 3? That is AB square by AC square. Plus what is triangle 2 by triangle 3? BC square by AC square. By simplifying we get in this LHS triangle 1 by triangle 3 plus triangle 2 by triangle 3. What is the common? Triangle 3. So that implies triangle 1 plus triangle 2 by triangle 3 equal to, what is the common LCM? That is AB square plus BC square by AC square. What is AB square plus BC square? From 1, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Pythagoras theorem, AC square by AC square. What is AC square by AC square? That is equal to 1. Therefore triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2 by area of triangle 3 is equal to 1. That implies area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2 is equal to triangle 3. What is the area of triangle 1? Area of triangle on the side AB. What is the angle 2? Triangle 2. The area of triangle on BC is equal to area of triangle on the hypotenuse AC. Area. Okay, this is the theorem. Some prove that the area of the equilateral triangle described on the side of the square, is half of the area of equilateral triangle described on its diagonal. I draw, this is ABCD. Okay, this is. So ఏమన్నాడు? Suppose this is the diagonal. This is equilateral triangle, some P. Another equilateral triangle on AC. So this is a Q. Suppose. So మనం ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి? వాట్ వి ప్రూవ్ చూసుకోండి. This is similar equilateral triangle. ACQ is also equilateral triangle. Clearly all equilateral triangles are similar. Therefore triangle ABP similar to triangle ACQ. ABP similar to ACQ. Okay, ఇలా ఉంచుకుందాం. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, that is, so after that మనం ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి చూడండి. Area of equilateral triangle, this is 1 and this is 2. Triangle 1 by triangle 2. The area of equilateral triangle describes on the side of the square delta 1 equal to half of the area of triangle 2. That is the rule. Triangle 1 is equal to half into triangle 2. So that is, how do you approach to find this? It is enough to prove that triangle 1 by triangle 2 is equal to half. Now we find triangle 1 by triangle 2. How do you find the triangle 1 by triangle 2? That is the ratio. The ratio of the two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides rule వాడతాం. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం triangle 1 by triangle 2 కట్టడానికి ప్లాన్ అయ్యాలి. What is the triangle 1 here? Here triangle 1 is equal to area of triangle ABP. Triangle 2 is equal to area of triangle ACQ. Okay? Sorry. Now proceed. This is 90. Clearly, in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So these two sides are equal. Why? Because it is a square. So that is AB square plus AB square. So that is 2AB square. This is the fundament. Okay? ఇది అవసరానికి ఇది మనం వాడుకుంటాం. So now we find triangle 1 by triangle 2. Area of triangle 1 by triangle 2. So ratio of the areas of similar triangles is square of ratio of square of corresponding sides. What is the triangle side of the triangle 1? AB. Triangle on the side AC, that is equal to AB square by AC square. That is equal AB square by AC square. So that is equal to, what is AB square? AB square. What is AC square? Clearly AC square is equal to 2AB square. That is 1 by 2. Triangle 1 by triangle 2. Area of triangle 1 by triangle 2 is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to, triangle 1 is equal to half into area of triangle 2. That is, so area on the side, triangle on AB is equal to half into triangle on the hypotenuse side. This is the diagonals of a trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to DC, intersect each other at O. If AB is equal to CD, find the ratio of areas of triangles AOB and COD. What he asked? Area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD. Kada? How do you find the ratio of areas of triangles? There is a rule if they are similar. So now we prove that AOB and COD are similar. Clearly observe, AB parallel to CD is given. AC is transversal. That implies angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. And angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Therefore, AAA congruently triangle AOB similar to triangle A equals C. So you write COD. So AOB congruent similar to COD. So by the property AO by CO is equal to AB by CD. Okay? Similar triangles. So area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD is equal to its squares of ratio of squares of corresponding side, that is equal to AB square by CD square. What is AB? 2CD. Given AB is equal to 2CD. So that implies 2CD whole square by CD square. That is equal to 4CD square by CD square. That is equal to 4 by 1. So what is the ratio? Area of triangle AOB is to area of triangle COD is equal to 4:1. Thank you.